Amazon Web Services or AWS, a collection of remote computing services that are also known as web services. All these web services contribute to form a cloud computing platform that is offered by AWS. On the internet, in year 2021, AWS offers over 200 products and services including computing, storage, networking, database, analytics, application services, development, management, mobile developer tool, and tool for Internet of Things, which EC2, RDS, S3, Amazon VPC, Amazon SNS are most used AWS services. With AWS, you pay only for the exact amount of the assistance you require, resulting in the lower capital commitment and enhanced time to value without compromising your productivity. AWS was officially launched in 2006 and there were around 180,000 developers working on its platform by 2007. By the year 2015, AWS revenue was $6 billion per annum, and since the revenue has doubled and growing by exponential rate, AWS is continuously boosting its growth every quarter. It get expanded by 42% in its third quarter of 2017, which increased to 45% in fourth quarter of the same year. And in 2018, it was 49% in the first quarter. The fastest growing AWS product by customers include data crunching tool, Amazon EMR or Elastic MapReduce growing at a compound annual growth rate of 24%. Network monitoring offering Amazon CloudWatch growing a compound annual growth rate of 23% and serverless product AWS Lambda by 18%. Considering AWS huge lead, if the current trends continue, we are likely to witness of remarkable acceleration in the AWS growth in future. So the first thing why you need to learn AWS in year 2021, one of the best feature of AWS is a better security. Amazon Web Services is one of the most durable and safe when it comes to security consideration. To provide protection and authentication of data, Amazon Data Center and data services come with many layers of physical and operational security. It can also conduct regular audit for ensuring maximum infrastructure security. The importance of AWS is represented in the seriousness of cloud security they give. One of the latest addition to the security function made by Amazon is known as the Amazon Detective, which facilitates in making the data investigation much faster and efficient. Another advantage of AWS is highly flexible. It enables one to choose the operating system, web application, platform, database, programming language, and other Amazon Web Services that we can need. With the use and help of AWS, one can work with virtual environment that enable loading software and services and application needed. This simplifies migration step for the existing use while preserving other options for building new. Third important feature of AWS is easy to use. The Amazon Web Services are designed to allow the application provider, vendor, or ISV to quickly and safely host software regardless of the fact if it is an existing software or new SaaS-based software. One can always use the AWS Management Console or the well-documented web services APIs for accessing the hosting platform of AWS. Fourth important feature of AWS is scalability. The Amazon Web Services let a person experiment, iterate, and innovate swiftly because of huge cloud infrastructure. To leverage scalability, AWS can easily handle an increase in the workload by allocating the resource depending on the demand, and that too within a few minutes. One can also use new app rather than waiting for a month for hardware and avoiding resource for provisioning the upfront project within the short lifetime and changing consumption rate. You can also use the Amazon Web Services for allotting the resource with the API call rather than buying hardware, setting it up and maintaining it to allocate resource to applications. Hence, auto-scaling and the elastic load balancing can scale up Amazon cloud-based resource automatically in case there is an unforeseen increase or decrease in demand. Fifth most important AWS feature is cost effectiveness. AWS require no upfront investment. Another reason to learn AWS in 2021 is its community. This is open up greater network opportunity for certified candidates. AWS certified candidate gain access to AWS certifies LinkedIn community, receive invite to regional events and free participate exam to prepare for other certification. AWS also provide you with official AWS certificate, certified logo, uses and digital badge. You can display your credential to the world. AWS has become one of the fastest growing technology product in information technology. Companies are moving forward with AWS at astounding rates. Getting your AWS certification now will help you to gain the necessary knowledge and learn the tool needed to work within this new landscape of technology. Another reason to learn AWS in 2021 is AWS certification is a goal that is achievable. Since AWS certification has been around in some form since 2013, many resources exist to help prospective exam taker to learn AWS. The best way to learn AWS is often by taking some form of AWS solution architect training. AWS architect training come in the form of live instructor LED training, virtual and digital training, in addition to be a plethora of books and forum that exist on the subject. Oftentimes the best AWS training is training that offers combination of theory with a great deal of hands-on exposure to the core services on the platform. The wealth of information that exists as well as the overwhelming amount of sample question and best practices available makes achieving your certification a real possibilities. These all are AWS most important features, and one important thing is why we need to learn AWS in 2021 is AWS skill on the list of most in demand skills since 2015. The need for cloud and data specialist is unlikely to abate anytime soon, especially as the software platform powering business become more powerful and many way more complex for each tech professional. Learning any new cloud related skill is a reliable way to advance their careers. On the employer side of the equation, companies should prepare to continue paying top dollar for specialists in increasingly ubiquitous technology. Knowing which way the winds blow and then keeping up the change in the same direction is the need of the hour. And as of today, the wind seems to be blow into AWS cloud. As Google trend indicate, organizations are heading for a serious skill shortage around AWS. Professional yearning for lucrative career should run in this direction. With more than 350,000 professionals required to fill cloud job role, there's clearly a huge opportunity for people who can prove their skills. AWS skills are sitting high on the list of most in-demand skill for employers. Let's test it on Indeed. Like I'm going on Indeed and I will just search for a cloud like, and I am changing the location and I'm waiting for the result. Let's see what we will get. So you can see there are more than 50,000 results of these Amazon Web Services skill with 25,361 open jobs. 60% of the cloud computing job posting ask for a skill related to AWS. Let's test cloud computing and just click on find job and look what you can see. According to a Indeed report, there has been a significant growth of 37% in the Australian job market for AWS professional in the past. The statistic reveal that the number of open AWS job is 6 to 12 times more than the number of job seekers. The statistic reveal the number of open AWS job is 6 to 12 times more than the number of job seekers. There are not sufficient people who know how to work with AWS cloud services, and jobs are going unfilled with the salary skyrocketing for skilled and certified AWS professionals. It is clearly evident that cloud computing skill and especially AWS cloud skill are and will continue to be in great demand over the years to come. AWS dominance as a public cloud platform